Today, I'm combining two of my favorite fitness products, the Booty Kicker and the Hope Fitness Bands. If you don't have these products already, I'm going to put discount codes for both of these in my caption below. So grab your bands, grab your Booty Kicker, and let's begin. This first exercise, let's do standing glute lifts. Keep the back straight and the abs tight and squeeze the glutes on top. With the band around the ankles, let's get into position. Keep the back straight and the abs tight. Get ready and begin. Exhale, lift the leg up, and then carefully bring it down, making sure to have minimal momentum with the leg swing. From this view, you can see that I'm leading through the heel, trying not to arch the back, and really squeezing the glutes on top. Finish this up in 3, 2, 1, and stop. For this next exercise, we're combining hamstring curls and glute presses. Readjust the band so it's around the foot of the working leg and the ankle of the base leg. We're completing one hamstring curl with an alternating glute press back, driving through the heel. Okay, let's get ready. Stand up nice and tall with a light grip on the bar. Get ready and begin. Complete one glute press and one hamstring curl. Think about bringing that heel all the way up to the glutes and then drive towards that wall behind you. From this view, you can see the posture and the leg movement just a little bit better. Keep good form throughout this entire exercise. Finish this in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Let's work outer thighs. Move the band around the ankles. Facing the side, have a light grip on the bar and extend the outside leg up and down. Let's get ready. Keep the good posture and begin. Exhale, extend the leg up and lower down. Do your best to keep the hips stabilized through this entire movement. It's easy to shift more weight into the base leg, but try to keep it nice and balanced with a soft knee and standing tall. If you can see, I have the toe pointed down to work a little bit higher on that outer thigh and glute. Outer thighs and glutes are definitely burning now. Come on, you got this. Almost done. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. I'm switching to the heavier red band to do low step touches, working the outer thighs and glutes just a little bit more. Getting your body ready, sink nice and low into those heels with the hips back, and let's start. Stay low with those step touches, keeping a bend in the knees and driving through the heels. Make sure to keep a light grip on those bars, and even though we're bent down, the back is still straight and not hunched over. I know you've got this. Feeling those legs. Come on, a few more seconds. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice work. Moving on, the next exercise is plie squats with heel lifts. Moving the band back down around the ankles, go back to that side view with one hand on the bar. Complete a plie squat with a nice wide stance with the heel lifts and the toes flaring out, and then come right back up. Getting ready, place the hand on the bar, stand up nice and tall, and let's begin. Drop down, lift the heels up, knees come out, and then come right back up. Inhale on the way down, exhale, lift. While pushing through the balls of your feet, you should definitely feel this more in your calves and the inner thighs. Keep breathing, you're almost there. Let's finish in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Going back to the light yellow band, we're combining a little bit of arms and legs. Loop the band around the thumbs, and with the working arm, we're going to do a tricep extension with a single leg calf raise. Let's get ready and into position. Get ready and begin. Extend the arm down towards the ground while you're lifting all the way up on the ball of the foot to work the calf. Keep the core engaged and the back straight. When you're doing the tricep extension, keep that elbow tucked super close to your side so you can really contract the triceps. Keep it going strong, you're almost there. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Keeping that same yellow band, let's do standing bird dogs. Looping the band in the thumb and anchoring the other side, extend the arm up while bringing the leg up as well. Ready, set, and begin. Extend that one arm and opposite leg, and then when you come in, drive the elbow towards the opposite knee. Exhale on the extension, inhale when they come in. Try not to overextend that back leg. You're only lifting about hip level, pressing through the heel. You've got this, keep it going. Here's 3, 2, 1, and stop.
Thank you so much for joining me in this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check out my Instagram at AllieFitATL for more fitness videos.